Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two Linux distro platforms, which is Bazzite and Linux Mint. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Bazzite. Bazzite in 2025 is a Fedora-based immutable distro tailored for gamers with Stream, Proton, and Lutris pre-installed, plus strong drives and controller support. It's stable, secure, and great for anyone who wants a plug-and-play Linux gaming setup. The downside is that its immutable design limits customization, and being newer, it doesn't yet have the massive community or documentation for holdout distros. Talking about Linux Mint, by contrast, is one of the most friendly beginner distro built on Utum with a familiar window-like interface. It's stable, lightweight, and perfect for everyday use, with a huge community and a long-term support. However, it's not gaming focused out of the box, and it requires extra setup for drives and tools. So in short, Bazzite is the best for gamers wanting an instant setup, while Linux Mint shines as a simple, reliable daily drive. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button, subscribe for more review.